Take a ride in the 2016
Buick Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, power brakes, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.